Important for the safe deployment of connected and automated vehicles on the public road is the development of a fair and reliable safety assessment framework. Instead of testing functions solely by driving on the road, the safety of automated functions can be tested against relevant test cases that are based on realistic scenarios. TNO StreetWise is an OEM-independent solution for this scenario-based testing. Data is collected by state-of-the-art sensor systems on board a vehicle and analysed in a highly automated way. As a demonstration of the StreetWise solution, we follow the procedure from collecting data up to the generation of test cases for a highway autopilot function. In the first step of the analytics pipeline, StreetWise algorithms identify activities in the data stream. These are the building blocks of scenarios. Multiple activities together make up a scenario, such as a cut-in into the so-called ego vehicle by a target. The sequence of activities in the dataset is graphically represented. Each path represents a scenario. This graphical representation facilitates the discussion between the data scientist and domain expert and shows how many different scenarios are found in a given dataset. Each scenario is described by one or more parameters. A cut-in scenario, for instance, can be described by the distance at which the target starts the cut-in in front of the ego vehicle, the lateral velocity with which the target vehicle performs the cut-in, and the speed of both vehicles in the scenario. Next step is parameterization. Test engineers construct tests by manually selecting relevant parameter ranges. By sampling the parameter distributions within these ranges, test cases are generated. Specific test generation tools will automate the sampling process for a large number of parameters within the operational design domain of the function under test. The harmonized formats of OpenDrive and OpenScenario can be selected as the standard output format of StreetWise test cases, so that it's possible to use these test cases in all major simulation tools. Scenarios mined from driving data are free from confidential and proprietary information and consequently enables a collective effort to come to a complete description of scenarios that happen on public roads in different countries and different continents. A scalable, cloud-based scenario database provides secure and easy access to all collected scenarios and its parameters for all StreetWise participants. This is an essential step towards scenario-based assessment of connected and automated vehicles that are going to be deployed on public roads.